last date of return filing. Now, how many options are still available for filing income tax return? Belated return, revised return, and updated return. Still confused? Hello everyone, I'm Saloni from Webtel. If you are confused with the options for filing income tax return after the due date, then this video is for you. Here I'm going to elaborate all the type of options available like belated return, revised return and updated return. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft to get regular compliance updates. Let's start with the options available for an assessee if he forgets the due date or not able to file the return on time.
Belated return and revised return in the income tax. Basically, there are two criteria for filing an ITR, non-audit and audit. The last date of filing the ITR for the individuals, those who are non-audit taxpayers, was 31st July. And for the others, the due date is 31st of October. In case if you haven't filed your returns till 31st July, then few other options are available for filing of your ITR, like belated, revised and updated returns can be filed by you. And if an original return is filed, like if the return is filed within the due date, then no penalty and interest will be levied. And in case if the return is filed after the due dates, like if a belated return is filed or if a revised return is filed, then a penalty as per the section 234F of rupees 1000 or 5000 as the case may be is required to be paid by the assessee. And the due date of filing the belated return is 31st of December. In case if you have filed belated return, then you also need to think about the revised return if it is required to make any changes in the filed belated returns, because the due date of filing a revised return is also till 31st of December. And in case if you missed the belated return as well as the revised return, then you need to file an updated return within the 2 years from the end of the relevant assessment year. But an additional tax of 25% with interest for the first year will be charged, and for the second year additional tax at the rate of 50% with interest will be charged on filing an updated return. So these are the penalties which you need to pay in case if you are going to file a belated return, revised return or an updated return. Now let's understand the meaning of a belated return. Basically, belated return is a return that can be filed by the person if he or she fails to file the return of the income within the time limit prescribed as per the section 139(4). Or we can say that once we missed the chance of filing the return, then we can file a return as a belated return as per the section 139(4). But there are few consequences of filing a belated return, and these are as follows. First one is loss other than loss under the head income from house property cannot be carried forward in case of a belated return. A penalty as per the section 234F will be charged. Exemptions under section 10A, 10B are not available to the assessee. Interest as per the section 234A will be charged, and deductions under part C of chapter 6A shall not be available to the individuals. So these are the consequences of filing a belated return. Now let's understand the penalty for filing a belated return. Belated returns are required to be filed within the penalty as per the section 234F. And in case if individuals are having the income more than 5 lakhs, then they need to pay a penalty of rupees 5000. And for the small taxpayers, those who are having the income up to rupees 5 lakh, they need to pay a penalty of 1000 rupees as per the section 234F. Now let's understand the meaning of a revised return. Basically, revised return is a return that is required to be filed as per the section 139(5) by the taxpayers in case if the assessee omit to include any certain information in the return or may commit any mistake at the time of filing the ITRs. And in case any unintentional mistakes, errors, or omissions are there in the return filed by the taxpayers, then they can file a revised return. Now let's look at the time of filing the revised return. So a revised return can be filed before the last date of filing the return or before the completion of the assessment year, whichever is earlier. And for the revised returns related to the financial year 2022 to 2023, the deadline to file the revised return would be on or before the 31st December 2023. So this is the time of filing a revised return. Then comes who cannot file a revised return. So if a person is having the notice as per the section 142(1), then they are not eligible to file a revised return as per the section 139(5). Let's look at the process of filing the belated return as well as a revised return through WebbyTax software. So this is our WebbyTax software through which you can file a revised return as well as a belated return in just few easy steps. Like if you have entered the data in the computation, then a penalty as per the section 234F will be calculated automatically over here. And then you need to go to the generate and upload option in case if you want to generate and directly upload the JSN file on the income tax portal. Otherwise you can go to the generate JSN option, and after that a summary of the computation will be reflecting over here. Then you will be able to see a message like this: is this return being filed after the due date? So if you are going to file a belated return, then the option will be selected as yes automatically over here. Then you don't need to select any section over here. You can simply generate the JSN file by using this option. After that you need to select a location, and then a JSN file will be generated for the belated return. So this is the process to generate a belated return. In case if you want to file a revised return, then you need to select the assessee name, and after the selection of the assessee you need to go to the computation, and in the computation a filed return option will be available over here where the ITR number will be reflecting automatically. And in case if you want to make any changes, then you need to cancel this option to make the changes in the data. Otherwise you will not be able to make the changes in the computation. And after clicking on that you will be able to see a message like this. Then you need to click on yes option, and after that you can make the changes in any head of the income. Like if you want to make any changes in the income from other sources or any other head, then you can make the changes over here, and then you can click on save button. And after that again you need to go to the return file option to enter the ITR number. Otherwise a penalty as per the section 234F will be calculated over here. So to cancel this late fee as per the section 234F, you need to go to the return file option. Then you need to enter the ITR number over here, and then you need to click on save button again. And after that you need to go to the generate option, and then you can generate the return as a revised return. And while generating the JSN file, you need to select the return type from the given options. Like in case If you are going to file a revised return, then you need to select the option as a revised return, and then you can generate the return by clicking on get form number. So this is the process to generate a revised return through WebTax software.
I hope you have understood that department has provided the opportunity of filing return even after the due date. But they allowed certain benefits and rebate which is easily available in original return. However, the delay of filing the return or updated return cause heavy penalty and interest. But still, it is available to complete the compliance and rectify the errors and prevent the case of scrutiny. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular compliance updates. Next Tuesday, we will be coming up with another interesting video to make compliances better for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance.